Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Rise Investment. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in RaizInvest.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Rise Investment website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. You will then be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, just click on the Forgot Your Password button underneath the password box and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the Send Email button. You will then be asked to check your inbox to find the instructions. So log into the account that you used for sign up and you will see an email from Rise Invest. Just click on the link that you see within and you will be allowed to create your new password right away. Just type in your desired new password within the new password box and then enter this new password once again underneath within the Confirm New Password section in order to confirm this. Finally, click on the Reset Now button and now your password will successfully be reset on your Rise Invest account. You can then use your newly set password along with your original email address to log into your account and regain your access. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Rise Invest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.